Hey, hi guys, this is the boy Dennis here. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can earn money by sign up. Just by bringing someone, you have a link and you share a link with someone, and someone will sign up using that link of yours, you earn a commission. Simple as that. So I think that is the best way to earn money online, which is no excuse, and which is the best one and the simplest one for newbie or affiliate marketing to start online business, to start making money as soon as possible. So stick with me until the end, guys, because I have 5 um, affiliate programs which are going to help you to start making money. Just sign up. You just take a link, show someone, and if someone sign up using that link, then you share with him, you earn a commission. It depends. You can earn up to $5, $7, $10, guys. So without me going further, guys, I want to introduce myself. Guys, my name is Dennis, and in this channel we talk about making money. This is my channel, guys. Please make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also like this video and comment also if you have any questions. Share also this video with your friends who are interested in making money online. As you can see, I have a lot of videos here, guys. I publish each and every week. And also I have my second channel as well. This one, you can go ahead and support me as well, guys, by subscribing and sharing with your friend who are interested in making money also as well. As you can see, also I have a lot of videos also in this channel. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get started. So in today's video, I'm going to show you 5 of them which are going to help you to start making money online. Number one, I'm going to start with this one. It's called acmrush.com. This is an top ACO for the people who are running a website or online business. So this a top SEO tool which it allows them to identify or to grow their business online or website to get more visitors. So this software, it allows them to find keyword, competitive keyword for their customers. So here, this is how it works. As you can see here, get paid every step of the way, earn up to $200 for every new subscription sale. You earn this on 200%, and also you earn $10 for every new trial sign up. And also, as you can see there, so you earn $10 per sign up. Someone just sign up for that trial, free trial, you get $10. It doesn't matter whether they buy or not, as long as they sign up for $10, you get for free trial, you get $10. Simple as that, guys. You can scroll down in the read everything here. As you can see, content publishers writing about ACO, PPC, PL marketing, content marketing, any money by promoting SMrush on your blog or social media or other channels. So you can promote this anyway, guys. Doesn't matter whenever you are promoting, as you can see. So just go started. You have no excuse, guys. Here they say the registration is you earn 1 cent. First purchase you earn 200. It doesn't matter, guys, whether they purchase things for 50 rand, 50 US or 10 US, you earn this commission. I don't know how they operate, but this is how it is. And yeah, for the sign up free trial, you get $10. Hope you feel it, guys. You get it, right? Okay, the website number 2 for today is Skillshare. This one is Skillshare.com. So Skillshare, I think there's a code, they sell codes in this application. So what you have to do, you have to sign as an affiliate. Here you earn $7 for every new customer you refer to Skillshare. So every customer that you bring in this Skillshare, you earn $7. So simple as that, guy. You have no excuse. What you have to do is you have to put everything together. You can go to Google Doc, just create everything together, put them together, and start promoting to your customers. Tell them, or you can either write a blog or create a website, talk about this, write article on your book, drive traffic on it, and get real money, guys. Because this thing works, and this is the best way to earn money online. Because you have no excuse, you just refer someone and you earn commission. Simple as that. As you can see here, any commission for each new customer you refer, which I'm sure everyone can do that, guys. So you have no excuse, guys. This thing works. There is websites, this software, they are real. They've been existing from years and years, and people are making millions and millions using these, guys. So you have no excuse. So let's get started for software number 3. Software number 3, it's called the grammar.com. Grammar.com. Also, you earn around the started. Okay, commission data here. Free registration, free sign up, you earn 20 cents. So you earn 20 cents for everyone who leave their email or anything, and you earn 20 cents. So yeah, so premium purchase, if someone decides let me join this grammar, you earn $20. So yeah, this is it, guys. You can go and understand the program, how it works, how it solves people's problems, and you can write an article, start driving traffic on it. Okay, so the software number 3. I'll come here later on. Okay, the software number 3 called okay, software number 4. It's called Freshbook. Freshbook.com. Freshbook.com is also, it's also, let me see how much you can earn. Okay, how it works. Freshbook affiliate commission are set up so you can earn the most for your best leads. You get paid every trial sign up, so you get paid for everyone who sign up, as well as very appropriate to a paid plan. Here the breakdown here. Okay, here trial sign up commission. You get paid every time someone sign up for a FreshBooks trial using your affiliate link. How much you can earn depend on where your leads came from. So yeah, you earn $10 per every sign up, or if someone sign up for a free trial using this, you earn $10. So if they decided to upgrade to a paid plan, you earn $200. Simple that. So the main thing is just go and understand all this. I think I will leave the links in the description below. Just go and sign up for these guys, because you have no excuse. Just start driving traffic and start making this money as soon as possible. So the last one, it's called constant contact.com. Let's see how it works. Well, excuse for my network, guys. My network is not well. Okay. This one also is I think it's a email marketing software, this one. So how it works is refer your audience, drive leads and sales, generate revenue. Simple as that. So this is how the program works. Trusted by small businesses, bloggers, and entrepreneurs like you for over 20 years. So they've been existing this for over 20 years. So their program makes it simple, guys. So get started. Once you enroll, all you need to do is place ads and links to constant contact on your website. Get paid in $5 for each referral that sign up for a free trial. You get $5. So if they decided to buy or to upgrade, if they see this thing is got value, then they are happy about their business. They decide now to upgrade. You earn $105. Simple as that, guys. So guys, you have no excuse. Just start driving traffic as soon as possible. Start making money as soon as possible, guys. I will leave all the links in the description below so that you don't get confused. And also, if you want this kind of software, just for you get paid for sign up. I have this one. You can sign up to this. It's called sharesell.com. just sign up as an affiliate. And once you sign up as an affiliate, you can come here. We say merchant here. Say search for merchant. Here is where you're gonna find a lot of affiliate programs that pays for sign up. If just someone will take action, you get paid. If someone doesn't have to buy things that you're promoting. It's just for sign up. They leave their email address there, then you get paid. So what you have to do here, you just come here where you say more modify search, click there. Once you click there, come here where you say enter keyword. You can put any keyword here, and you come here where you say pay read, cost per action. You just high click there, and you come here where you say search. So what does it mean? It's gonna show all the programs that are paying per lead, cost per lead, you know, cost per action. So this is, as you can see, Dulex pays you $20 per lead. This one here, probably paid you 15 per lead. There's a lot. This one here paid $5 per lead. You just go and understand this thing, how they work, and they start driving traffic and start getting money. So simple as that, guys. As you can see, there are tons, there are a lot. You have no excuse for you to start making money on that. What you have to do, start driving traffic, talk about this program, then make money. Drive a lot of traffic and make a lot of money, guys. If this video makes sense, guys, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, comment down below if you have any question. I'll be happy because this helps a lot with YouTube algorithm. And also, guys, don't forget. Also, I'll remind you to subscribe also to my both channels, this one and the previous one that I showed you guys. Make sure, guys, you subscribe, guys, so that I can be able to make this kind of videos each and every week, because I publish content every week, guys. And also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I will leave also the links in the description below. Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as well. Yeah, so that's it. If you have any question, comment down below. Also, I'll be able to answer all the questions that you guys ask. So yeah, guys, this is it, guys. I hope you understand everything. I think this is the end of this video, guys. Again, I'll see you in the next video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much, and bye bye.